Hi guys, let's go to Rove Expo City here in Dubai. So, it's a 3-star hotel, kaya very affordable lang siya. Nasa loob to ng expo. I'm not sure how to commute going here. Although alam ko may metro station naman. Then, from there, hindi ko na alam. So, we went by car this time. Medyo malayo siya, besh. May free valet service naman sila, so we didn't have to worry about the parking. So, entrance pa lang, di ba? Oh, very nice na. Room tour! Room tour. Voila. Nice, neat, clean, modern. Ang ganda ng concept, kahit na hindi ako fan ng yellow. We initially booked for standard room, but we got upgraded with the dome view. So, may balcony siya. Ayan, di marunong mag-open ng sliding doors. Continue.